Afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, Jagdish. How are you? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, now audible. Yeah, surface.
Yes, how are you, Jagdish?
I'm good. How you are?
I'm doing okay. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for accepting my interview request and sacrificing
Pleasure is
your
mine.
Sunday. I know it's
Yeah,
your
definitely.
Sunday, but you are here for this project and really appreciate. I don't want to take you longer, but before we
Yes,
start,
fine. First and foremost thing, I wish you and your family are safe and healthy during this time. Since we are dealing with the most, you can say, tough time we have ever faced yet.
exactly. I hope your family is also doing fine. Mine is better. Thank
Hmm,
you.
I'm good.
And
Fantastic.
just struggling with
Actually,
difficult
there's
times.
been a slightly, what's the misunderstanding because of the time zone. In India, it is 3 p.m. right now, and I believe Turkey it is 12:30, na?
Right. Yeah, sure. There's a
Hmm.
misunderstanding on timing. So let me introduce myself to you. My name is Serpil Soykan. Have been executive assistant for almost 18 years. I love my
Hmm.
job, and this project is just to increase the consciousness of executive assistant profession, not only in
Hmm.
Turkey but in all around the world, because the awareness on this profession is not what it's deserving, to be honest. So that's why this project started, and executives and also executive assistants are also supporting on this project. And thank you also to you. You are here. And before we start, I
Pleasure is
wish
mine.
you to introduce yourself to us, who you are, what you are doing.
Yeah, good. I'm fine. Can you please come again? What you say? I didn't
I
get.
wish you to introduce yourself to us, who
Oh,
you
sure,
are,
sure.
what
I
you
will.
are
I will.
doing.
I will. Yeah, it's fine. I'm 33 years old. I'm from Delhi, the capital of India. By religion, I'm Hindu. I'm married. I like to watch movies in my spare time. I love gardening. Cooking is my hobby. I prefer to eat vegetarian food. As an habit, I used to wake up by 5 a.m. in the morning. I am a certified secretarial assistant. Apart from that, I'm having a bachelor degree in arts and I'm having a master's degree in business administration. I'm into this profile for more than 10 years.
Mhm.
My specialization is Excel MIS, uh, drafting certain of presentations. I'm good at it. Apart from that, I have started my career at the age of 20 with some call center industry. It's a BPO, business process optimization things. I have received my first secretarial assignment at the age of 23. I have worked with different industries like telecom, agriculture, tiles, and presently I'm a part of the biggest tire manufacturing industry. It is a Cavendish Industries Limited. It's a JK Tire Associates. I've been worked with the corporate offices, head offices, manufacturing plants as well. During my work tenure, I got the opportunity to work with managing directors, chief executive officers, president, and chief financial officers of the organizations. And that's all.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, let's start then. You are also an executive assistant, and I would like you to tell what you are doing in a day. Would you please summarize it to us? You get into the office, and how is your day going on?
Actually, right now I'm holding the designation is a personal secretary, not
Uh-huh.
executive assistant. Earlier, I used to be executive assistant, personal secretary, personal assistant, secretarial assistant. They all comes in a single portfolio.
Yeah,
That
sure.
means secretarial coordination. We all are secretaries, but our designations are differ as per the requirement of the boss. Am I right?
Yeah, sure. So,
Uh,
what personal assistant is doing? What are you doing? I
okay.
just want you to summarize it because
Yes.
the future assistants would like to know what each assistant is doing.
Mhm. Since I'm working with the manufacturing facility, my roles and responsibilities slightly different than yours,
Uh-huh.
and with the
Uh-huh.
different than the corporate office persons. I'm reporting to my office by 8 a.m. in the morning and start my day preparing the meeting schedules. Then I put up the schedules to my boss for his inputs, and on a receipt of confirmation, I circulate the day schedules with the head of the departments. Thereafter, looking for the papers start coming from the different departments. I do necessary cross check, prepare the papers for my boss approval. We used to have our plant review meeting in the afternoon. Before the meeting, my work is to like collect the like certain reports that are required during the meetings. It takes me around like somewhere around 2 hours. It's like slightly hefty job, and my most of the office hours are booked for attending the plant meetings, following over certain reports. And in as a being a part of the manufacturing facilities, you just don't have to manage the work. Sometimes you have to facilitate it. Sometimes you have to coach the task so that the
Yeah.
work can be done in a like what say in a specific time, and it should be as per the requirement of your boss. So my most of the working hours gets into this activity only. In the evening time, I put up the papers for my boss approval, take his instructions, report to the respective departments, and I end my day to do the necessary filing and documentation.
Right, almost the same as what the executive assistants are doing. Thank you so much.
Exactly.
So, okay, what are the key elements of your success? What's the ways that is taking you to success in your business life?
Uh, Actually, it's been I remember, it's been 3 years back. I used to be a smoker. I had a very, very bad habit, and it's been like around, I take a packet somewhere.
Oh my
I
God.
managed to quit it. I managed to quit that bad habit. And thereafter, my career graph like goes like this. I had a very good confidence on me, and I move forward to learning part as well. And this is the most important thing. This the profile in which you are now, it's the most critical profile of the industry, because you are reporting to the topmost person of the organization, and they are not the normal persons. They are highly
Yes.
intelligent, highly capable, and you have to like manage yourself as per their behavior. So your determination towards the job is very important. Learning
Right.
attitude should always be there, and
Uh-huh.
your knowledge and your experience should on the higher side, so that you can grow, you can achieve the higher heights in your career.
Mm-hmm. Right. Okay, so the last question is there a suggestion you can give future assistants and also to your
Mhm.
colleagues working in other sectors in other countries? It can be a training, a seminar, anything.
Actually, no one is perfect. If you want to be a successful,
Right.
just not an executive assistant, I'm referring to secretarial candidate. You have to be self-motivated. And the one of the most important thing is the analytical skills. You should have the very good analytical skills, and you have to maintain the confidentiality of the department, because since you are reporting to the topmost person, the many confident things comes in your hand, and at that particular time you should maintain the confidentiality. And always remember, you are reporting to the topmost person of the organization. Maintain the respect, maintain the rapport, and work accordingly.
Right. Right. Thank you so much, Jagdish. Really appreciate a lot you take your time, and I'm sure that is going to add value to this project, and also will be allied to students and the future assistants, because the students at universities and especially at high school need to hear this kind of experience, need to get this kind of suggestions from us, because they are open to learn, they are voluntarily would like to get new information from us what this profession is really. So we
Really,
are a treasure really for them. So thank you so much for putting value to this
and
project.
one last thing, since I'm from the manufacturing industry, so I'm going to give you a sort of a suggestion related to that thing. When you talk about the manufacturing, it is manufacturing. And when you are into the manufacturing, manufacturing is what is made by the hands, and manufacturing, it is what is made by the mind. So always remember, you have to make yourself from manufacturing to manufacturing. You just not need to made by the hands. You need to develop yourself to made by the mind as well.
Mind. Right, right. Thank you so much, Jagdish, for taking your
Mhm.
time. Really appreciate a lot. Thank you. And I hope to
Thank
see
you.
you and meet you in person.
Uh, I would love to. I believe you're in Turkey, na?
Yeah, I'm in Turkey.
Ah, great, 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 great. Let's see
After,
what future brings us.
yeah, exactly. After COVID gone, so we are open to meet anytime in India and or in Turkey. Whenever you are
In
traveling
India.
here, just
Okay,
let me.
whenever you come to India, just give me a buzz. You have my number. You have my mail ID.
Yeah, thank you so much.
We'll
Sure,
definitely
sure, we
catch up.
will meet.
Sure.
Thank you. Appreciate a lot. And take care. Stay safe.
Namaste. Sure, sure.
Namaste.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. See you.